Alright everybody, so we have a customer here who has yellow jackets. There's a nice pile of dead carcasses on the floor there. So they're flying around the window, up on the walls. And where they are is up in this hole. Let's see if you can hear them. I'm hoping you could hear that. Alright, let's get this show on the road. There's nests there. I can't tell if there's a nest over here or not. I just can't bring myself into this hole well enough. I can't tell. It looks like maybe right up there. Well, that's where they are, obviously. I don't see paper. All right. Oh, it is so hot in here. Oh, this is paper thin. Oh my God. That's a huge nest, holy crap. Oh my god. That nest is humongous. Whew. Oh, they are all over me. I haven't even started vacuuming yet. They're all over the camera. This drywall needed to come out anyway. This stuff is so rotten. That's about probably 18 inches, almost 20 inches long from what I can see. This is really tight quarters. I mean, I'm like, this is like, it looks as it looks as tight as it is. There's new adults hatching out of this like every second. It smells kind of like popcorn, but like I can't even tell you what that smells like. Like a mix between like graham cracker and like stale popcorn. Chickens grab a frenzy tomorrow. Alright, so I have 3 different pieces of drywall here. So from that removal, when I removed the drywall off the ceiling, this is thickness drywall. So this is 5/8 half-inch drywall. And this is what they were doing. So the nest was being built downward this way. So this is the ceiling, and this was the back of the ceiling. And this is where the nest was being built down on top of. So their instinct is then to dig out or excavate whatever is hindering their production of building the nest further. So wasps individually started chewing at this drywall, and you could hear them chewing. I mean, I got video of it and audio at the beginning of the video, and this is what they did. I mean, this is, I don't know how well you can see that, but that is like excavated. See how this is like razor thin, and then it tapers up to full half-inch drywall. Isn't that nuts? So that's a thicker piece. So this was towards the edge on the one side, and then it went this way. And this is how far they got. Look how thin that is. So that last little bit in the center where the main part of the nest was, it was literally being held on by paper. I mean, look how thin and flimsy that is. That was all was separating that closet living space from that entire nest of yellow jackets. So this is the full drywall. This is what was left that they chewed away. I mean, it bit by bit, each individual wasp chewed away at this, like as if they were just excavating soil or something, and then they would carry out little bits of the drywall and drop it outside somewhere. So that's just incredible. Same thing with this piece. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please drop in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know also what you'd like to see in upcoming videos as far as bald-faced hornets, relocations, updates on the various nests that I have. I haven't done the bulb nest in a while. I haven't done the eastern yellow jackets in the ground in a while. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I got updates coming out several times throughout the week. If you guys are returning subscribers, thanks so much for supporting my channel and coming back and commenting and showing me love every time I post. And this channel is growing because of you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.